Welcome partner into the world of the micro payments. The premium rate numbers and SMS payments are used worldwide to collect payments from the clients for different services and goods. The Careful Support LP is doing business as thecarefulsupport.com, providing premium rate numbers, as well as the large number of the value-added voice services called the audio text services. Just some of them are the horoscope, voting, lottery, live chat line with psychologist, astrologer, and many more. The services are maintained in different languages. To start with Careful Support, it is required to register. Registering client abides himself with the master audio text agreement, checking the checkbox here. You abide yourself to bring only legally advertised traffic. No payment to be released for the BPX hack, or scam models traffic of any form. The minimal payout amount is €200. We pay for all the connected calls to our server. Kindly check the calls connected in statistics, active calls, or in statistics, statistics always. After registration, 2 emails will arrive. One is to confirm your email and another with short instructions and educational videos. To log in, you need to enter login, password and the CAPTCHA. If you forgot the password, you may restore it by the Forgot Password button. Once logged in, you will see the home page with graphs showing the minutes made for the past month or for the past 10 days in minutes or monetary equivalents. The latest news located below the graph. My Numbers section of the menu is showing all the allocate numbers to your account. Each number has the voice service name, the number routed to, the tariff ID, the payout currency, the destination code, the country name, the charge type, the number itself, the payout rate and the payment terms. Usually all the same tariff ID numbers are having similar access from the same territory. For instance, at this video record time from India Idea Mobile Network to Guinea tariff ID 700 and 1479 numbers, there is fine access. The 3 main currencies we operate are the USD, EUR, and the GBP. The charge types are the per minute and per call. The per minute signifies the caller will pay per minute as long as he stay connected by the number. The per call means the caller pays just one time when connected. The payment terms usually are the daily 1/1, weekly 7/1 or default, i.e. 30/45. The 1/1 means the traffic made yesterday will be paid today. The 7/1 signifies the minutes generated past week Monday to Sunday shall be paid on the first day of this week. The default payment term usually means 30/45. The traffic made this month will be paid in 45 days after this month ends. The voice service name is the horoscope, IVR, or friendly chat line, or lottery, or any other service that is behind of the particular number. There are the international premium rate numbers that accessed internationally and the domestic premium rate numbers that accessed locally from the particular country. Usually the domestic numbers are more regulated and it is harder to obtain than the IPRNs. There is a search form at each of the sections of the menu. You may search by any of the allowed fields. Let's find all the numbers of Guinea. There is an export function into XLS or PDF format and the statistics summary data at the each section of the each page. The Sub-Accounts, Accounts section of the menu. Here is the list of your own and all the sub-accounts you invited to work with you. With the list of the allocated services to each of the sub-account. Any of the sub-accounts you may set to hide all the financial info like rate, currency, charge type, etc. The first thing you need to do is to add your payment details into your account profile, clicking on Edit button next to it, to start receiving payments from us. Please do not forget to allocate needed services in accordance with your traffic profile. Or ask sales to route your calls to your server. It is free. Now we go to the Sub-Accounts, Sub-Accounts News menu. Here all the system news are duplicated. Also you can send news to any of your sub-accounts or to all of them. The number of variables like surname and the name of your sub-account can be passed into your message. The Sub-Accounts, Clients Numbers allocation section contains all the numbers added by you or the sales team into your account. The Add Numbers sub-menu of the Clients Numbers allocation section allows to choose and allocate numbers searching them by tariff ID, code, country, number itself. Once found, any quantity of the numbers can be allocated to your account or any of your sub-accounts. It is very important to set the right voice service at the routed section of the form. You may add the numbers to any of your sub-accounts also. Selection of the right voice service allows you to increase the call's duration, generating more minutes with same amount of calls. As a result, your revenue will increase. If you want to earn an extra income out of your sub-accounts, simply set the rate lower. Finally, press the Add button when chosen numbers are set. The allocated numbers are colored green. Just copy and use it in your advertisement. The allocated numbers have the same characteristics as the numbers in the My Numbers section of the menu. Each call has the following features: the tariff ID, country, currency, source number, destination IP, connection time, disconnect time, session time, charge type, sub-account rate, client payment term, voice service ID, SIP result. You may search the needed calls by the search form, the number of the records found, total minutes, calls, the ACD, average calls duration, the ASR average service response will be generated automatically. The Statistics, Active Calls section of the menu. It shows all your currently connected calls. The additional information can be obtained from the statistics such as total calls, duration, charge USD, charge EUR, and many more. Statistics refreshed every 30, 20, or 10 seconds automatically. You may refresh it manually. The Statistics section of the menu contains the summary of your and your sub-account's performance for the selected period from date/time to date/time. You may search the precise results using the search form. The results are given in graphical form also. The Tools, Access List. The latest access data you may find here and use for the future advertisement. The source code shows first digits of the number from where the call came from. The destination number shows the first digits of the advertised premium rate number. The tariff ID is needed to order same numbers. The country signifies the advertised PRN country. Below you may find another top latest access data used for advertising. The access testing application is extremely useful tool to find access from the mobile you test the access from. More about access testing application is in another video. The tools, rates comparer, tools, app tests, tools, white label described deeply in other videos of the same YouTube video channel. Please watch them all. The billing, credit notes / invoices section of the menu contains the generates credit notes for the traffic made. For each credit note you may need to send an invoice to payments@carefulsupport.com. We pay all connected calls to our server. Kindly check the calls connected in statistics, active calls always. The minimal payout is €200. The rates section includes all the test numbers. Each contain the rate, payment term, tariff ID, the test number itself, etc. Below the page you will find active calls to the test numbers. Similar price list page with the test numbers table and the active calls is on the carefulsupport.com website. In sub-account, accounts please set your bank or payment details. We pay bank wire and PayPal. The PayPal payout rate is 2.5%. Always send an invoice to payments@carefulsupport.com with your payment details from your registration email ID to secure your payment. A part of this access data you may ask the sales team to send you the fresh carrier's level access data. If you need any help or support, please do not hesitate to contact sales in Skype Careful Support or email sales1@carefulsupport.com, sales2@carefulsupport.com regarding numbers allocation, IDD offers, VoIP to PRNs rates comparer etc. Careful Support LP loves you and will do all for your success. Sincere, carefulsupport.com.